Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show us the fastest way to solve this radical equation. Alright, solution. So what we are going to do is get our domain first. Alright, so now our domain is x must be greater or equals to 2. Alright, so it means whatever value of x we are going to get should be either greater than 2 or equals to 2. So anything less than that, anything less than 2 is not considered a valid solution or answer. Alright, so what we're going to do here is to square both sides. So it means we have x plus 6. We're going to square this in order to remove the square root. And also we are going to square this. Alright, so the square cancel the square root. We have x plus 6 equals to, we're going to write that in two places. We're going to write this again. Alright, so from here, let's expand. So we have x plus 6 equals to, let's expand this. X times x will give us x squared. This will give us minus 2x. This will give us minus 2x. And this will give us plus 4. Alright, so we have x plus 6 equals to x squared. This will give minus 4x plus 4. Now let's collect like times. Okay, so we have x squared, we have minus 4x. Move this x, it becomes minus x. We have plus 4. Then move this plus 6, it becomes minus 6. Everything equals 0. Right, so we continue. We have x squared, minus 4 minus 1 will give minus 5. And then plus 4 minus 6 will give minus 2. Everything equals 0. Right, so we can actually factorize this. We're going to use quadratic formula. Okay, let's use quadratic formula to find x. And what is quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, this is the quadratic formula we are going to use. Now, from here, what is our, the equation is x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Right, so from here, what is our a? Our a equals to 1. What is our b? Our b equals to minus 5. And what is c? Our c equals to minus 2. Alright, so we are going to substitute that here. So we have x equals to minus b is minus 5. Right, so plus or minus, then we have b is minus 5 again. So minus 5 squared minus 4. What is our a? Our a is 1. And what is c? Minus 2. Everything over 2a. What is a? A is 1. Okay, now let's continue. We have x equals to, this will give you plus 5, plus or minus. Now square root of minus 5, square of minus 5 is 25. That is minus 5 times minus 5. Then minus times minus will give us plus. 4 times 1 times 2 will give us 8. Everything over 2. Okay, so we have x equals to 5 plus or minus 25 plus 8 will give us 33 over 2. Alright, so what it means is that x is equals to 5 plus root 33 over 2 or 5 minus root 33 over 2. Okay, remember our domain. Remember that I said that x must be greater than or equals to 2. So anything that is less than 2 will not work. And mere looking at the answers we have here, 5 minus root 33 over 2 will not be valid because it is obviously less than 2 by the time we calculate this. So the only valid answer we have, x equals to 5 plus root 33 over 2. Alright, so this is the only valid answer that we have. X equals to 5 plus root 33 over 2. Right, so let's try something very similar. Let's try this. We have square root x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to x minus 2. Now here, let's solve for x. Okay, let's solve for x and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.